where you see my sister and me explore places in Qatar and around the world. Hi all! Today we are at Mathaf Arab Museum of Modern Art. We can experience world-class collection of modern and contemporary art showcases evolving styles and genres. Let us explore Mathaf. It is established in 2010. Mathaf can be reached by free Mathaf bus service. Mathaf is easily accessible by Doha Metro. Education City Station is the closest metro station. The museum can be accessed through Blue Line of Educational City tram. We can book ticket free from Qatar Museums website. We need to show green ITIRA status to enter Mathaf.
Okay.
Let us enter the Dadu's Children Museum. This will strive to enrich the lives of children and their families by providing an unparalleled space for learning through open-ended play, exploration and experimentation. A variety of stimulating, interactive and accessible indoor experiences offer families opportunities to play and learn together. Dadu's Light Atelier utilizes different installations allowing children to take the lead and freely discover concepts about light and shadow, color mixing, reflections and more. The educational space will allow you and your children to play, explore and experiment. The installation is really interesting and we enjoyed a lot. This is a temporary exhibition at Mathaf. We can measure the length of shadows from here. Here creates reflection of light on the screen. We can see our colorful shadows on the screen.
റിച്ച അങ്ങോട്ട് ഫ്രണ്ടിലോട്ട്
This is Mathaf Library. This library contains with a vast assortment of books on modern art and art history with a special focus on the Arab world. The bilingual Mathaf encyclopedia and scholarly resource providing basic facts and in-depth information on modern art of the Arab world is available offline free of charge. Now let us explore the museum galleries. The museum's permanent collection features more than 9,000 works by notable artists from Arab world from the 1840s to the present day. Landmark artists from countries and regions connected to the Arab Peninsula are represented, encompassing Africa, Asia, and Europe. The works on display narrate the story of the Arab world as viewed by its artists and presented through different art forms, from paintings and mixed media to sculptures, resulting in one of the largest collections of Arab-made art in the world. Major themes of aesthetics and politics of change and progress within multiple modernities and histories of art and society are addressed. The rise of nation states, colonial struggles, and post-independence projects of reconstruction, the development and influence of the oil industry, the birth of new urban centers and cities, and aspiration to progress in a global hyper-digitalized and networked era. Traditional science, craft, and calligraphy are displayed here. Abstracted geometric of forms as well as architecture, science, and technology are displayed here. Artists, poets, and artwork are witness to histories and changing perspectives. The display considers the production of art driven by colonial and post-independence geopolitics, as well as Pan-African and Pan-Arab cultural movements from the late 1950s to transnational connections of the Generation 00. Artists working in the 2000s who made strong statements preceding the Arab Spring and current revolutionary changes around the world. The presentation of key works looks beyond traditional linear histories of art to highlight diverse readings and narratives in the collection and contextualize intellectual production within multiple modernities. Many of these works address the movement of human civilization through rapidly changing models in history.
The objects displayed here geographically connected to the Arab Peninsula such as Iran, Turkey and India. Mathaf is the only museum and collection of its kind in the world.
ഇതൊക്കെ നെക്ലേസുകളാണ് വെച്ചിട്ടൊക്കെ
Thanks for watching this video.